Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long while since I have made a video, since I have done an unboxing. I have bought tons of new purses that I'm planning on doing a video to show you them. But today I did receive an order that I decided to do an unboxing for. I'm gonna try to make it as fast as I can, and I'm not going to edit, so that everything that's in is what's in. So the last 3 weeks, I think I have bought 4 new Coach purses. One of them was from the outlet. Actually, I bought 5. One of the orders got canceled because it was sold out, I guess, because it was in the sale part of the Coach website. I just bought another one today, which I'm waiting to see if it gets canceled. It was on the sale part of the Coach website. But this right here was clearanced on Dillard's website, and it's on clearance with no return. So all sales are final. I did open the box and remove the tags with my names on them, but it just say Dillard's. So let's get into this. It's just gonna be, it is gonna be a true unboxing. So. Alright, so they have a Dillard's lid, or box cover on there. And here is the bag. Now, I don't have anything in this color from Coach. I used to have a tote from Michael Kors in this color, but I did sell it recently and kind of just replaced it with this. So let's see. It's wrapped pretty good. And it is the Shea crossbody, or no, Shea shoulder bag. Color is granite pewter, so I'm guessing the color is pewter, which is like a gray, and the hardware is granite. But it's the dark gray or granite looking hardware. Okay, so the price for this bag originally is $3.50, and I got it for $122 on clearance. And with tax and shipping, it was like $140, I think. Okay, so it has a little tassel here. And inside it has a dust bag. And it has a bird in it. And the inside is like a maroon color or ox blood, whatever they call that. It is new. It has all of the wrappings on everything. The zipper feels real nice. So the bag that I ordered from the Coach website, that one opens real nice. Oh, no, maybe not. It is sticking there. Maybe with time it will get better. And it's about much of my hand in there. Doesn't quite go to the bottom. So I ordered from the Coach website. I ordered this bag from the Coach website the other day. Well, I think it was last Friday. And it was in the color Lake, which was a blue, and I was so excited. I thought, oh, it will look so good with blue jeans. And 2 days later, or 3 days later, I woke up to an email saying it was canceled. The order was canceled because they couldn't fulfill the order. I was so bummed out. So I kept searching and searching because I really wanted this bag. And I found this one on Dillard's. Actually yesterday. And I got it today, which was a lot faster than I thought it would take. And I'm thinking this color, it might be even a little better than the blue because it will go with everything. It is more of a neutral color, but I really did like that blue. I thought, oh, it would look good with jeans. But what I really like about these bags is this. I love the way it looks like that. Just that look. Oh, it's just beautiful. So, yeah. I'll probably wear it as a crossbody mainly. Oh, and then it has that there. Just Coach. So that's the only spot that has on the outside that says Coach, except for like on here. I don't know if you can see that. And then of course it has the Creed inside. Yeah. Right there. And then it says Coach here on the zipper. Yeah, so I probably will wear it as crossbody. I'm pretty tall, so tall, and I would probably end up putting it on the shorter one. I usually try to make them as long as possible because I really like them long, but I love it, and it's so soft. Soft pillow leather with the feet on the bottom. I think this one might have been a display because it does have little scuffs, but that's okay. Who looks at the feet anyway? It does have two pockets on the inside here, and then the zip pocket over here. The nice zipper. Oh, and then it has the Coach card. So yeah, this is my newest bag. I should be getting another bag shortly. I ordered it yesterday, so hopefully that one won't get canceled because it was on the clearance part of or sale part of the Coach website. So pretty soon I may do a switching of the bag, but I think I'll do another video showing you some of the other bags I have bought in the past year or more since I've made a video. All right, so thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe and see more of my bags, that would be great too. I'd love to have you a part of my YouTube family. All right, so thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.